Hello and welcome. I hope you enjoyed writing and committing yourself to one or two quick immediate goals for a week. In this section, we'll cover immediate action steps. So these are quick wins that don't require a major time commitment but will significantly enhance your daily life. So the first step is or action item is identify time consuming activity. So identify one activity in your daily routine that tends to consume unnecessary time. It could be scrolling through social media, spending too much time on emails, or multitasking excessively. So, here, take a pause, take a moment to reflect on your daily routine. What's that one activity that you feel might be consuming more time than necessary? Now, try to commit yourself to consciously reduce time that you spend in this activity. This will free up some extra time to achieve your immediate goals that you have written already. So take a moment here, don't jump to the second step. Please pause the video here and write down. Welcome back. I'm assuming that you have already completed the action number 1. So now let's look at the action number 2. Allocating time for personal self-care. This is my favorite. Allocating 15 minutes each day for personal care is very necessary. This is your time to recharge and focus on yourself. It could be anything from meditation to enjoying a cup of tea or quick stretch. This can be the same activity as you have written in the immediate goals if you have selected personal care activity there. Else, choose a different activity here and commit yourself to this for at least 1 week. So let's brainstorm some of the self-care ideas that can be done in 15 minutes. Please pause the video again and write down some of these ideas. So since you are back, I'm assuming that you have already wrote or identified some of the personal self-care ideas for yourself. Now let's look at the step number 3, communication and boundaries. Communication is key. If you are feeling overwhelmed or need support, don't hesitate to communicate your boundaries, both at work and at home. Let others know what you need to thrive in your various roles. Reflect on situations where you think clear communication about boundaries could make a positive difference at home as well as at the workplace. And if you feel that there is anything which can help you, even today, if there is an opportunity for communicating and getting some support, then please plan and do that communication in next 24 hours.